This is the ultimate flagship killer, the Xiaomi 15T Pro. Inside the box, you get the charging cable and a protective case. But the real story begins when you hold the device itself. A masterpiece made with premium metal body with a royal finish. A new color that screams luxury. Curved edges that feel smooth in the hand. Buttons with a satisfying click. Dual speakers at the bottom for rich, full sound. This isn't just a phone, it's a piece of art. The 15T Pro runs on HyperOS 2, based on Android 15, which means better gaming performance, smarter battery optimization, and a smoother overall experience. The display, a massive 6.83-inch AMOLED with a refresh rate of 144Hz, an insane 3200 nits. In simple words, crystal clear visuals, vibrant colors, and sunlight readability like never before. Camera is co-engineered with Leica. This is where Xiaomi really flexes. The phone packs a 50-megapixel main lens, a 50-megapixel telephoto lens, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens. All powered by AI for sharper details, lifelike colors, and amazing depth. And for video creators, up to 8K cinematic recording. Improved optical stabilization. Rock-solid footage even while running or driving off-road. The selfie camera is a 32-megapixel shooter that will probably make you look better than you do in real life. Under the hood, Xiaomi went all in with the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus processor, built on 3nm technology, clocked at 3.73 GHz, and paired with the Immortalis G925 GPU. Translation: games smooth, apps instant, multitasking effortless. Backed by 12 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of storage. This thing does not hold back. Even the in-display fingerprint scanner feels lightning fast. Powering all of this is a 5500 mAh battery, easily lasting a full day of heavy use. And when you need a boost, 90-watt wired charging, 50-watt wireless charging. The device is built with glass and high-grade fibers, aluminum frame for impact resistance, IP68 water and dust resistance, Gorilla Glass 7 eye protection against scratches. And that's not all. Built-in remote control feature to manage devices around you. Xiaomi also features interconnectivity for seamless calls and file transfer between devices. Not to forget Xiaomi offline communication, letting you stay connected with other Xiaomi devices even without Wi-Fi or a network, up to 1.9 kilometers away. Perfect for adventures. AI-powered tools that can even turn a normal photo into a piece of art. The Xiaomi 15T Pro is here to tell the world, I've got it all at a price that terrifies the big players. So the question is, if you had the choice between this and a Samsung or an iPhone at a lower price, would you pick the Xiaomi, or do the big names still hold more weight for you? Don't forget, I love you guys. Hit the like button, share the video, and subscribe. Check out my exclusive discount code from Noon. It's down there in the description.